Piri Piri chicken. If you've been to Nandos, then you know. We are spot on with this one, baby. Now, y'all meet me in the kitchen. We are going to make some Nandos Piri Piri chicken copycat. Because I got a taste for some Nandos chicken. That is some delicious chicken. If you don't have it in your area and you stumble upon it, it is a very, very unique flavor that is extremely delicious. I got my ingredients here. So the first thing we're going to do, I got this half red onion. We're going to roast that, and we're going to roast this red bell pepper to get that started. And then I'm going to be right back when we adjust the rest of the ingredients and add it to the blender, get it smooth, cook it down. Boom, you're going to see all the steps. And then we're going to make us some wings, some Nando wings, my favorite. All right, y'all, be right back. I think I'm going to go ahead and roast this garlic too and give it that nice, sweet flavor that comes from garlic when you roast it. Okay, how many garlic cloves we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. That should be enough garlic. We're going to go ahead and peel it first and throw it in the oven to get roasted right along with the peppers and the onions. Should take no longer than about, I guess 30 minutes or so. Got my garlic cloves here. Then I'll spray some avocado oil on here. All right. On to the oven we go. Convection roast, 450 degrees. Let's get together our little dry seasonings here. 2 teaspoons kosher salt. Need some paprika, 2 tablespoons of that. A tablespoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of ground thyme. 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Half teaspoon black pepper. 2 teaspoons of sugar. We'll be right back for the next. This is how we want our pepper and onions charred. Charred just like that. It's going to be so much flavor. All right, so let it cool down so we can take off the skin and get it on up in the food processor here. All right, it's cooled down enough. So the skin should come off super smooth. This thing smells beautiful. All right, get the seeds out. Come out nice and smooth like that. That's it. Looks beautiful. And on your onion too, take out that outer layer. Look how beautiful our roasted garlic look. Oh my, my, my. Yes, Lord. If you're starting off like this already, it's gonna be hard to fail. Half a lemon. We're gonna go ahead and grate some of it. About a teaspoon's worth. Just take it down like that. I think we're just gonna squeeze this whole lemon up in here. All right, all good. All right, let's get ready to get this stuff up in here. And another thing I want to throw up in here is some tomato paste. Let's do 2 tablespoons. We want a little bit of liquid smoke for some smokiness, just a tad. Let's get some vinegar. I got some white wine vinegar right here. And I got some olive oil too. We're gonna do 1/3 cup of that. Get our fats up in there. Let's get our zest up in here. Ooh, look at all that juice. And then them dry seasonings we made up earlier. Bam. Uh-oh, I know I'm listening to one of y'all virtually. Be like, where the spice gonna come from? Bam. Bam. So we ain't had no bird's eye chilies. We just use regular old Mexican chili peppers. So that's gonna give us enough spice right there. Oh man, it's got that authentic color. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I think we got something here, y'all. I'm gonna add just a little more, 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. I think it's gonna get it right where I need to get it. So let me do that. All right, let's try it now. Yep. One more thing. 4 ounces of good old tap water. Thin it out a little bit. Pour that sauce there, baby. Cook this down some. All right, we're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So yeah, right there, y'all. It is lightly simmering. We're not trying to make it become too thick. We're just trying to cook it down just a little bit, enhance the flavor. That is it. So I think that right there, we're at about 12 minutes, 3 more minutes, and that's gonna do it. All right, finally, so the sauce is cooked down. Oh, it smells delicious. I'm telling you, y'all, it smells just like Nandos Piri Piri sauce. Oh, so what I'm gonna do now, let it cool down. I'm gonna get it pureed just a little bit more to my liking. So I got me a nice little jar to put these in. Just went to Hobby Lobby to get these. I had to get that crack lemon pepper.
What you cooking up today?
Oh man, baby, I got these wings, jumbos. You know, I usually don't do this. You know, I usually don't do the party wings. I usually do, you know, wings. I cut them up myself.
Yeah.
You know, we was at Costco and we said, let's pick up these bag of wings, make life a little easier. You know, and you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
That's how your Uncle Junior talk.
Yeah.
Look how big these wings are, boy. We're doing 1.5 teaspoons of the lemon pepper seasoning. That's going to accent with the marinade / sauce. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. This is about 2 tablespoons of the marinade. Check this out. We are marinated. That looks good to me. It's going in the fridge overnight. I'm getting up super early in the morning doing these wings. I'm gonna be so excited about them. And boom, see y'all in the morning. These are Darryl's Piri Piri wings. Now we're gonna go this side first. Yeah. Hear that sizzle?
Oh yeah.
Can't get it like this at Nandos. Nandos good. This is gonna be a whole lot better. Give it about a good 25 minutes and give it a flip. I'll be back. All right. Let's see where we at. Oh man, looking good, ain't they, baby?
Yes, they are.
See how the temperature looking. All right, I'd like to get them above 165. It's at 180. Do that.
Let them all Darryl's peri-peri Nandos sauce.
The smell is something else.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let that sit for about 5 minutes. And they coming off. It's gonna be time to eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. 55 minutes total time, y'all. And this is how we looking. Whew. You like that, mama?
I like
You
that.
like
Daddy.
that, mama?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go eat. You know wings need some sauce.
sauce.
I gotta sit down for this. We going in.
Ooh-wee.
Man, baby, it's good.
Gave it to
Y'all gonna have to do this. I'm about to let the camera lady get her eat on, 'cause I know she's jealous.
Yes.
These wings are so succulent. They so juicy. Everything's hitting just right. The marinade, everything. Boy. About to get my eat on. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. We ain't gonna stop.